Seoul. Joined by his top military officials handling his nuclear-capable weapons and munitions factories, North Korean leader Kim Jong Un arrived in Russia on Tuesday before an expected meeting with President Vladimir Putin that has sparked concerns about a potential arms deal for Moscow's war in Ukraine. North Korea's official Korean Central News Agency said Kim boarded his personal train Sunday afternoon accompanied by unspecified members of the country's ruling party, government and military. South Korea's military assessed the train crossed into Russia sometime early Tuesday, Jeon Ha Gyu, spokesperson of South Korea's defense ministry, said in a briefing without elaborating on how the military obtained the information. Kim's delegation likely includes his foreign minister, Choe Sun Hui, and his top two military officials, Korean People's Army Marshals Ri Pyong Chol and Pak Chon. Other officials identified in North Korean state media photos may hint at what Kim might seek from Putin and what he would be willing to give. The officials include Pak Thae-song, chairman of North Korea's Space Science and Technology Committee, and Navy Admiral Kim Yong-sik, who are linked with North Korean efforts to acquire spy satellites and nuclear-capable ballistic missile submarines. Experts say North Korea would struggle to acquire such capabilities without external help, although it's not clear if Russia would share such sensitive technologies. Kim Jong Un is also apparently bringing Jo Chun-ryong, a ruling party official in charge of munitions policies who had accompanied the leader on his recent tours to factories producing artillery shells and missiles, according to South Korea's Unification Ministry, which analyzed the North Korean photos. North Korea may have tens of millions of artillery shells and rockets based on Soviet designs that could give a huge boost to the Russian army in Ukraine, analysts say. Reuters.